get that. I should go put it on like one of those trees.
Missed. Jesus! God.
Mushroom cloud.
Where'd the target go?
Did you get it, Dylan?
Yeah.